Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're looking at the Midland WR120B NOAA radio. And for you who are not familiar with NOAA, think of it as National Weather Service. Technically, it's the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration. Notice how I messed that one up. That's why I don't say it a lot. And three features you need to know about. Feature number one. This is the easy way to get the National Weather Service alerts on your own, ahead of when the radio stations and TV outlets can get it to, because at the end of the day, you really need to be having your own system, because that way you get it as soon as the Weather Service releases it. Feature number two, using S.A.M.E, which is Specific Area Messaging Environment, I believe it is, there is a unique 5-digit code for all of the counties in the U.S. You may want to have just your county, or if most of you where that comes from west, then maybe a county or two west of where you are, and that will give you a little more advance warning. But if it's in a county outside that range, your radio's never going to go off. Feature number three, there are several accessories to enhance your usage of the WR120B that may not be readily apparent in the manual. Number one, there is an external antenna. I'm on the fringe of the National Weather Service transmitter for my area. I had a nice scanner that had Weather Service capability into it. I had to add a significant external antenna to it for it to get a good reception of the station. And even then, in severe storms, it wouldn't be able to lock on to the channel. Now, there is an external alert function on this one if you have someone who is hearing impaired. There is a little flashing, I'm not going to call it, I hate to call it a strobe, but a flashing red light that will give off a pattern that they will pick up on, or their service animal should pick up on, and let them know that way they know to come over to the console and see what type of alert has been generated. So that's something that there's a fair amount of recall you can do with this one, as far as there's 3 different classifications. There's 60 alerts that this can distinguish between. So take a look at this one, especially if we're moving into storm season. You might want to think about getting one of these, or maybe more than one if your house is spread out a little bit. So take a look at this one, and I think you may decide to go get one.